Hey, John, I was thinking of starting my own online business, like selling physical products online, e-commerce. Yeah, but why would you want to do that, man? People are always buying physical products online. I mean, it's like, why wouldn't I want to sell products online? I mean, e-commerce is going to be like evaluated at over like $5 trillion in the next couple years, man. Yeah, but it's probably going to be too hard to get into, I mean, you already have a secure job. Why don't you just focus on moving up, man? Yeah, but moving up in my company, man, that's going to take forever, How long is it going to take for me to start making, $200,000 per year, $300,000 per year, so I could truly live comfortably and enjoy my life? Why would you take that risk though, man? Like, I don't know, it makes no sense to me. But dude, I mean, you're making like $45,000 per year. Like, don't you want more out of life so you can start enjoying life more and doing things that you're passionate about? Don't you want that for you? No, man, I'm good. I mean, I'm good with my job. That's, too much risk for me. Yeah, dude, but I mean, why would I listen to you? I mean, you're not a millionaire. Don't listen to me then, dude. Lose all your money. If you want to be a millionaire, don't take advice from somebody that's making $45,000, $50,000, $100,000 per year at a 9-to-5 job. Surround yourself with like-minded people that have goals. Invest in yourself and your education and keep leveling up. Let's go!